guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good and I'm back with another informative video. Did you subscribe to my channel? If not, do it right now, and also do follow me on my Instagram because I'm making a lot of informative reels there as well. So coming to today's video is all about types of student visas. So basically in this video I'm going to explain different types of student visas available for students who are coming to the UK. I'm literally going to explain clearly about each student visa. So without any delay, let's get into the video. The United Kingdom is known for its language, culture, history and innovation. The UK has an average student retention rate of 84%. With amazing support system available for overseas students, and undoubtedly studying in the UK is the first one is student visa. Well, I think most of you all heard about Tier 4 General Student Visa. Yes, it is now called as student visa. Firstly, who can apply for this visa? Well, if you want to study in the UK, if you are above 16 years of age, you can apply to this visa. And there are a few other eligibility requirements as well, which are if you have been offered a place on a course by licensed student sponsor, and if you have enough money to support you while you are here, if you can read, write, speak and understand English, and if you are 16 or 17, then they need a consent from your parents while applying for this visa. But if you are above 17, then there is no need of this. So these are the few things which you require to apply to the student visa. Next is, when can you apply for this visa? Well, the earliest you can apply to this visa is 6 months before you start your course. But usually you'll get your decision within 3 weeks. So mostly, majority of the students apply to this visa around like 1 to 2 months before. And the next is how long you can stay in the UK. Well, the duration depends upon your course duration. For example, if you're 18 or over, if you're pursuing bachelor's degree, then the maximum you can stay is up to 5 years. And if you're doing masters, you can stay up to 2 to 3 years. And it completely depends upon your course. Well, next is, when can you travel to the UK? Once you get your visa, you can enter the UK before your course starts. For example, up to 1 week before if your course is less than 6 months, and up to 1 month before if your course lasts 6 months or more. But you must not travel to the UK before the start date given on your visa, no matter when your course starts. And the next thing is fees of the student visa. Well, if you're applying from outside the UK, it's going to cost you around £350 approximately. One more charge would be your healthcare surcharge, where you'll need to pay certain amount of money while you're applying, and the amount will definitely depends upon the duration of your course and how long you're going to stay in the UK. So there's a tool where you can calculate based on your course duration. I'm gonna leave it in my description box below. Please go and check it out. So these are the two fees which you will have while applying for student visa. So, and the next important thing is, can you stay longer with this visa? Well, it completely depends upon your eligibility, and recently you all know that they have introduced PSW, which is post-study work visa. With that, you can actually apply to this and you can stay here 2 to 3 years depending upon your course. And finally, what you should do and what you shouldn't do under this student visa. What you can do is, of course, study. And then you can also work, but it depends completely on your course. It will be mentioned on your BRP, which is Bio-Resident Permit, as to how much hours you can work legally. And it's illegal to work more than that hours. And what you cannot do is, you cannot claim public funds and pensions. You cannot work as a professional sports person or sports coach, and you cannot be self-employed, and you cannot study at an academy or a local authority funded school. So these are a few things you can and cannot do under student visa. And guys, after you get your student visa, the first and most important thing you need to do is book your accommodation. So if you're planning to come to the UK and then search for your accommodation, then I think you're making a big mistake, guys, because I already mentioned there is a scarcity of rented houses here in the UK, with a lot of international students coming to the UK. So I think the best option is booking your student accommodation while you're in India. And to book your accommodation, the most trusted website is Amber Student. Amber Student is a platform through which students can book their accommodations near their universities. As Southeast Asia's largest student accommodation provider, they are operational in 100+ cities in Australia, Europe, US and the UK, with more than 20,000 listings on their platform. And I've mentioned this a lot of times, guys. With AMPA student, you're going to have amazing booking experience. You can actually go into their website and search for your accommodation according to your preferences. For example, if you don't find an accommodation according to your preference, you can actually let them know your preferences and find your ideal accommodation. Isn't it amazing? And also, guys, they are going to help you 24/7, and they also have amazing initiatives like COVID-19 policies where they are offering free cancellations and also relief from visa related uncertainties. And finally, you need not worry about tons of paperwork, lease agreements and so on, because they are going to take care of everything from start to the end. You can literally book your accommodation while you are at home. Isn't it amazing? So what are you waiting for, guys? Just click on the link which I'll mention in my description box below and book your accommodation. So this is everything about student visa, guys, and there are two more student visas as well. There are two more types of student visas as well, which I'm going to explain in my next video, so stay tuned for that. Also, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you have any more doubts, please do let me know in the comment section below, and also let me know what kind of videos you want me to do. And yeah, I'll be back with more videos. Bye, guys.